It's Monday, so sunny.
Now, all the smoking is done under the analysis. So you have perception. So
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Wednesday morning. I hadn't vlogged yesterday because I wasn't feeling it. I don't know. I didn't have much to vlog, to be honest. So yeah, I remember when I told you guys I wasn't feeling it, like I was going through it and that like I was unmotivated. I just found a way to like organize myself better, and basically I created like a schedule-ish type of thing where I write down like my schedule like per hour. Let me show you. Basically focus, I just felt like what I have to do like per hour, if I have a class or something, or if I have to do something like when I have to eat, when I have to wake up, all that stuff. Then I have like a to-do list, the things I have to do like in the day. This isn't focused, is it? And then I have the goals of the day, like things I want to get done in the day. I'm gonna see if this is gonna work for me. I'm so glad like mango season is back. You guys don't know how much I love having like my oatmeal, like the oats with mangoes. That's like my favorite food ever. I don't know, I'm just thinking about it right now. I'm gonna go have it right now and I'm feeling can't wait. Also, I have like a little rash. My eczema is back, so I'm taking my medication for that. Like I just use this ointment that helps me get rid of the eczema. My outfit of the day, I'm wearing this type top that I've had for years. It is like a longer top, but I did tuck it into my like A-line skirt just to give me a little bit of a different look, because I usually wear it the way it is. But yeah, Thursday morning, excited to go for school today. I did do like a mini beat. I'm excited, I'm ready to go. I don't know if it's just me, but applying makeup tends to make me feel better about the day ahead. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't have much to say. Let me just go eat and just leave like immediately. OOTD, I'm wearing a black chiffon top. I'm wearing my pleated skirt. I think it's time for me to go and start my day. I'll catch you guys. This is currently my study setup. I'm literally just seated on the floor and I'm just chilling with a bunch of papers, my charger right there, and I'm just sitting on the floor and my phone's charging up here. But I want to show you this cool app that I started using, okay, for like when I need to study.
I get distracted easily, but what it does is it's like a study app. It's called Flipped. So basically what it does is it's just like a study app basically. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. It has study, my day, and then it has sleep, and then it has work, then it has like custom. You can customize the hours. Basically what it does is if you want to do study and you have 1 hour, you get only 60 seconds free out of that whole hour to do whatever it takes, and you just have to stay on this page until this timer is off. I feel like that makes you like practice to stay without your phone longer. But if you decide to quit, it just tells you exiting screen. You'll end your flip session early, and session, then just tell you, oh, better luck next time. There's also like sleep for 8 hours, there's study for 1 hour, there's my day, there's also work. I usually do with the work one because it's long. The study one is just like 1 hour, but work is like 4 hours. And then if you feel like you still find yourself like exiting out of the app easily, what it does is you can click like the full lock mode where it hides all your apps. Isn't that crazy? So you just select here and then it just directs you, and you're only left with like the necessary ones that you can't do much with. Once you need them back, you just go back to your settings. It's like a whole manual on how it guides you to have it back. Nothing disappears, to be honest. They just hide for a few while. I found this such a great way for me to study. It wasn't you. They thought you were dead.
Morning, guys. I don't mind if my skin looks quite oily. I do have like my skincare on and a ton of sunscreen because it's been hot. Okay, today's Friday. Crazy how the week is practically over. Like, but like, how is it already Friday, right? It's crazy. Like, literally I remember last Sunday like it was 2 days ago. Anyway, I want to tell you, yesterday I got the toner from Miniso. It's the hyaluronic acid essence toner. It's like a different type of toner. It's a very thick, it's an essence basically, so it has a thicker consistency, so you don't need like a cotton swab or anything. You just put it on your hands and you just like tap it into your skin. So I want to see how this is gonna work for me. I've heard good things about it. I'm gonna see how this works for me. They also have like another one. They have a rose one which is pink, but I picked this one because it said hyaluronic and the other one is like rose. So I want to try this one and see how much I like it and how dewy it'll leave my skin and everything, like plump and moisturize and all that stuff. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, let's go. Last day, end of the week, last day of school. Not literally like last day of school, but end of this week, if that makes sense. But yeah, so let's go. Notice something different with my skin. Hi guys, Saturday by the way, good morning. I'm getting ready to go for a meeting I have at 3 p.m. and my skin, okay, for the past 2 nights I used Miniso hyaluronic like essence toner and my skin has been looking so good so far. I like the results for those 2 days. I just wake up with my skin feeling plumper and just better, like more hydrated and all that stuff. I realized I haven't done one of these like get ready with me's like in the vlog, so I decided we are gonna do one of those videos now as I catch up on my show. I'm currently watching How to Give It Away with Murder. I just waited for like a lot of the episodes to come out. The last time I watched, I think I just watched like the first 4 episodes. So I just watched the first 4 episodes and I was like, ah, I'm so tired of waiting an episode every week, so let me just wait for it to all come out and then I can binge watch them. I was thinking of doing that last night, but I was so tired last night. I couldn't watch it, so I was like, let me watch it now, although I don't want to binge watch it now. So I'm just thinking, should I wait till tonight, watch all of it, or watch an episode now, because I am tempted. So last night, like on my Instagram, I did like a poll thingy, not a poll, like the ask questions thing, where I asked like my followers how they deal with like creative blocks and whatnot, like just like when you're feeling like in a rut. I got like some pretty cool answers, and a lot of it had to do with like self-care and whatnot, which is so good to see. Like people will actually put their mental health and their own like physical health. Self-care is physical and mental health first, and just putting everything else like in the back seat. So that was kind of great seeing that you guys actually value your health, like in mental and physical health. I got some really good answers. I got like working out, reading books, traveling, finding new stuff to do, meditating, praying. I feel like everyone goes through one of those blocks either way, you know what I mean? Like not necessarily like a creative block, but just like a block in life. How do you guys download movies? I know I shouldn't be telling you this, but I like pirate them through Pirate Bay and then like torrent them on my computer and then watch them like that, then just watching them online because the buffering and whatnot. I like my brows looking like bushy, so I barely put like any product in the front because I already have like a bushy brow, and I just comb it up and then I use this like brow gel setting whatever and just have them facing up because I like that look. Something else I do for foundation these days, I barely use concealer like together with my foundation these days because I feel like it gets so heavy and I'm so into like lightweight makeup. So what I do is, if I'm wearing concealer, I wear it alone and just use powder over it. But if I'm wearing foundation, I use like 2 different foundations. Use one as my concealer and the other as Nini, because first of all, the Fenty Beauty foundation is very lightweight. That's something I really like. But this one is a bit tan now that I'm back to my pale ass, and this one is like the shade I'm wearing now. So I use this as the high points of my face where I need to like usually highlight with my concealer, and then I just use this like on the surrounding of my face, if that makes sense. So these are probably one of my favorite foundations ever. I like packing on moisturizer underneath my foundation as well. It does leave you hella dewy. I'm gonna do my base and then I'll be right back. Finally ready. I just decided to go very minimal makeup. I'm wearing a white bag. I'll show you guys the full outfit later, but it's time to go. I don't like wearing white only because I don't know, I feel like it doesn't look good on me. It's not my color, but today we're doing it. I decided to change because I'm not comfortable in white, but it's raining. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's raining. I'm waiting for my sisters to come. They'll be